Okay, welcome to Snap. The first thing we're going to do is make a sprite, a little object here. So this is my turtle, and if I click on him, he shows up over here on the left, and I can go to scripts where I can take blocks and give my little turtle commands, or I can go to costumes. If I go to costumes and I hit this little drawing mechanism, I can draw a sprite. So I'm going to make my sprite look like this, a little head, a little nose, and a mouth. You can make your sprite look however you want. In any case, that's my sprite. I'm going to say OK, and now if I right click on my sprite, I can give my sprite a name. So I'll just say rename, and I'm going to name my sprite Bob. At this point, I can make Bob do stuff. If I click back on the scripts tag, I can come over to these different blocks. I have, looks like 8 different groups of blocks. The blocks I'm going to start off with is the control blocks, but there's motion, looks, sound, pen, and I can click on these and I'll get a different group of blocks. I'll take the top block. It says when the green flag is clicked, do something. So what do I want to do? Well, I'm going to come over and I'm going to do a motion. I'm going to make this guy move 10 steps. So anytime I click the green flag, Bob is going to move 10 steps. And there he goes. Okay, that's pretty simple. What if I want Bob to move 10 steps without me clicking every time? Well, I have a loop, and I can just go ahead and use a repeat loop here, and I can make him move 10 times just by hitting this once. I'm going to repeat this move command 10 times as I have the repeat loop. So here we go, and he moves 10 steps. Now that went really quickly. I think what I'm going to do is in the control block, I can say wait 1 second. So between every time I come into this loop, I'll see that I'll wait 1 second. I think I'll also move him back to the center. So I'm going to say move to 0, 0. So he moves, and now every second he's going to move 10 steps. So that's it, the first part for moving Bob.